Here are 12 stories that we're following today, and thank you for listening. I'll try and do these numerically correctly. First, Dick's Sporting Goods is down nearly 25% today. They're blaming their earnings challenges on a lot of organized retail crime and theft, and we're seeing a lot of that. Second, CVS Health is now down 10% over the last 5 days, down about 28% year to date. Third, Macy's is tanked today. It's down 13% today so far. Fourth, the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 rose sharply yesterday. That's good news after a while. The market's been down 3 weeks. Fifth, futures were pointed up this morning, but now the market has moved in the wrong direction. Sixth, NVIDIA, the chip maker extraordinary, jumped 8.5% yesterday. It's now the fifth or sixth largest market cap company in the U.S. Its earnings will release Wednesday. But seventh, the Dow fell yesterday as one of the key Dow components. J&J weighed negatively on the index. Eighth, it was great to work yesterday and record two core business podcasts. Those were on two discussions: the simple trick to great management and build great teams, cultivate multiple leaders. Those can be heard in the Becker Private Equity and Business podcast. Ninth, layoffs seem to be quietly and quickly rising. Every place you go, you hear about people being laid off almost silently, but there's a lot more of it going on. 10th, Bitcoin and Apple have each fallen more than 10% from this year's highs over the last. We'll see if that continues or gets better. Two more stories that we'll find closely. 11th, there's a story in The Economist about America's corporate giants are becoming harder and harder to topple. And this is the concept of you get enough scale going, enough strength going, enough lack of fragility, and you don't have so much debt, you could end up surviving for a very long time, particularly if you keep on getting better. A great article in the Economist. And then 12th, a story that I find frightening: a troubling share of Americans aren't paying their credit cards in full. This is in Yahoo Finance. More than 50% of people are not paying their credit card bills every month, rather than raking up sort of interest on those and balances. So those are 12 of the stories we're following today. We'll be back with you with a couple other individual episodes on issues. Thank you so much for joining us on the Becker Private Equity and Business podcast. Thank you very, very much.